Recently, a few companies reached out to the channel asking if they could send some care packages my way. I said, sure, send them on down. So let's get into them. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. And if you are feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. First up is Propartsdirect. Let's get into it. Well, they taped this up good. This box did get a little bit of a beating during the shipping process. That's all right. Let's see what we got. There is a lot in here. First, we have some Kinetics 5W30 4-cycle engine oil. They really bagged these guys up good for shipping. That's 1 and 2. Oh wow, there's more. Holy cannoli. Voila, 4 of them. That's pretty cool. Let's see, we got this whole bag right here. Let's break into this. Ah, the good stuff. Oh, okay. So we got some fluid film and we got some Aaron's touch-up paint. That Aaron's orange is tough to find. Let me tell you, this is good stuff. Very cool. Another bag. Ah, some Toro red. Very cool. I could use this. Maybe I'll even spray paint my brother-in-law's lawnmower deck with this. Good stuff. Let's see what we got here. Ah, some Snow Jet. Helps prevent clogging and buildup. It's even got my Aaron snowblower right on the front. Look at that. I'll have to test this baby out. Look at this. Some Toro Time Master blades. I could use some of these. Mine are just starting to show their age now. These babies are brand new. Look at that. Slice and dice, baby. Get rid of this paper. Whoa. Ooh, some deck scrapers. I've been actually looking to do a video on these. Very nice. Oh, these are wonderful. These are gonna get their use, especially with the good old Toro Clogmaster over there. Just down here. Ah, Echo Red Armor Fuel Treatment. Look at that. Great 2-year fuel stabilizer. An Echo tune-up kit. This will come in handy for my string trimmer, maybe a leaf blower. Very cool. A little further down. Well, this one took a beating at the bottom, but that's okay. Wonderful. When I order these kinds of things, my biggest frustration is just waiting for them to arrive. So this is very cool that these are in the box. This is gonna save me some waiting time. Very cool. Yeah, this guy was at the bottom of the box. Huge dent. It feels like there's nothing in it. It's just another can of the Snow Jet. Thank you though. Feels like it's a little saucy. I think some of it leaked out, but thanks, I appreciate it. Cool that I still have another can. Ah, some edger blades. Good, I was just about to order some. This is cool. These will do some damage. Here's a little foreshadowing for you. Might be grabbing a new edger in the near future. We will see. Might as well open up this box here while we're at it. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, good. We got some fuel filters, air filters, all different sizes. Look at this. Yes. Very cool. I'm gonna set these guys aside. It looks like we got some Echo ones. Great. And some NGK spark plugs. Pop one of these guys open. Oh yeah, the little stubby ones. Excellent. This is the box that keeps on giving. What we got? Oh, wait, we got more? Fluid film. The cap took a beating, but it's all in there. Another can of Aaron's orange. Oh my gosh, you know what? All right, let's keep going. What's in this little guy? Little thank you card. Thanks for your support. Well, thank you very much, Propartsdirect, for your support on this channel. Greatly appreciated. Keychain and a sticker. You know, you don't see keychains like this too often anymore. Very cool. Stripe life. It's like these guys know me. Let's see what's under this. There's something in here. What's this? Is this padding? Oh, swag. Nice. Would you look at that? The right part, the right price every time. Like the navy blue. Awesome. That is an empty box. Check out all these goodies. All these items will find their spot here in the garage some way, somehow. Thank you very much, Propartsdirect. I greatly appreciate you sending all these items my way. Now, if you've been a subscriber to the channel for any length of time, you might recall a video I did last summer using slipplate on the underside of my lawnmower deck to prevent grass from sticking. That actually did an outstanding job, lasting about 17 mows, with the last 5 mows being soaking wet mows. Kept the grass off the deck for a good half the season. Pretty cool product, and I'll definitely be reapplying it in the spring. Long story short, slipplate actually reached out to me after I published that video, thanking me for using their product. And then they asked if they could send me some slipplate aerosol cans. I said, sure. Let's open her up. Go. Take that off. Aha. There we go. Look at that. Graphite lubricant. Only the good stuff, right? Very, very cool. This stuff has so many applications. It's ridiculous. Very messy, but worth putting on. 6 wonderful cans of this stuff. Love it. Thank you, slipplate. We are definitely going to be applying this to a snowblower, but the big question is, which one? Oh, hold on a second. What's this? I didn't even see this. Tube o lube, dry powdered graphite. That's cool. I'm sure we'll be finding use for this. Extra fine graphite for year-round lubrication of metal, wood, and plastic. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We'll find a good use or two for this. Thanks again, slipplate. Now, I also wanted to say thank you to you and to all the subscribers here on Garage Gear. Recently, the Buffalo area got nailed with feet of heavy lake effect snow, and hundreds Literally hundreds of you reached out to see if the Garage Gal and I were okay. We greatly appreciate all of you looking out for us. We're all good here. In fact, all the snow is melted. It's gone, completely gone. 20 minutes south of us, they actually took the brunt of it and they got about 5, 6, 7 feet. They might still have some laying around. The love and support from this community has been mind-blowing, and it's because of all of you out there I keep doing what I'm doing. Over the last few weeks, a few subscribers actually stopped into the garage, and it was awesome getting to meet all of them. If I could, I would write everybody's name here up on the board. We have such an amazing community here, unlike anything else here on YouTube. Because all of you are so incredible, the Garage Gal and I actually wanted to give back. We're doing a care package of our own, and here's what's included. Over here, I got some liquid wrench, lock hinge, and dry lube, some gunk mower deck spray. You could also use this on the chute of your snowblower to prevent any clogging, some gunk degreasing wipes, and I'll even throw in a can of slipplate graphite lubricant. Even gonna toss in some stickers for you. To enter, here's what you gotta do. Number 1, you gotta be a subscriber here on the channel. Number 2, you gotta leave a clean, non-offensive comment down below. A winner will be drawn at random by computer on January 1st, 2023. And while you're down there leaving a comment, would you mind taking a super quick second to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm? Thank you, I appreciate it. To wrap this all up, what I want to do is take a minute and read a comment that came my way a few weeks ago to all you guys and gals. This is from Amy Akurno, and I apologize if there's any mispronunciations. I cannot overly express my deep gratitude for the information you provide in these Aaron snowblower videos. I had to undertake the task since my husband died. If it had an engine, he knew what needed doing. This morning, I ran through my notes from several of your videos and was able to start the machine in one pull. This boomer says thank you so much for the guidance and step-by-step instructions. Enjoy the upcoming snowy season. First of all, Amy, I'm deeply sorry for your loss, but I know that he's looking down at you, smiling and proud that you were able to navigate your way through this challenge. And I am proud of you that you were able to start your snowblower on the first pull. The Garage Gear community has your back. Don't ever hesitate to reach out. And you, Amy, enjoy the upcoming snowy season. Big thank you to all the subscribers here on Garage Gear. The Garage Gal and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. From our Garage Gear family to yours, have a Merry Christmas and a safe and Happy New Year. For more cool Garage Gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.